Hi, I'm going to show you a really quick video today to introduce you to a new recipe. This is beef chuck pepper steak, all cut into strips. It's a boneless cut of meat, and they're just cut in strips so we can put them onto skewers, and then I'm going to season them with some Basari orange ginger dry rub. And after we make them on the grill alongside of Rick's chicken, we're going to use this nice sweet chili sauce as a seasoning. This is how we're going to dip them. So let's get busy showing you where I'm going to put them to begin with. Okay? Right here, look at that chicken. Rick's cooking a chicken and he's adding some barbecue sauce. On this dry part of the grill, I'm going to season the strips, but I'm going to use some olive oil on a paper towel just to get that moistened up a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to take these strips. These are, let's see, how much do they weigh? I have 2 packs. Each pack is a little over half a pound. Beef chuck pepper steak. And I'm going to take them out of the pack and thread them onto these barbecue skewers. So let me do that real quick. Okay, I'm taking the strips out. You can see about how big they are. Each pack was about a half a pound. So we got a pound of meat here. And I'm going to take these skewers and thread the meat on. Just loosely, just so we have something to turn them with. Like that. Something like that. I'm going to do this real quick. Alright, I'm going to thread these all on and then I'll be back to show you my seasoning. Alright, here we have some threaded meat sticks, and I'm going to take the orange ginger Basari and season it up. The reason I'm using ginger is because that's the kind of flavor that the sauce has that we're going to use to dip with. Alright, some of this will drop off, of course, but we have a flavor to work with. Alright, now let's go to the grill. Oh, that looks like the chicken's ready. Let's put these on here.
That's the barbecue sauce that got extra brown, but I like it like that.
Yeah.
And these won't take long, right?
No, they're rather thin. I'm only doing a few to start. Okay.
You can watch that chicken on my video.
Yeah, now
On
we'll
my
put the
channel.
link to Rick's video for roasting this chicken on the grill. Do you think we should take it off before?
Maybe. Yeah. Or you want to close the door on your lids for a while?
Yeah. We'll get ready to take the chicken off for Rick on his camera. Alright, now I'm going to take a look at these, what Rick's bird is finishing up. And these are starting to cook. I just want to turn them over a little bit, get the other side roasting.
Yeah, they're cooking fast.
Yes, they are. So by the time your chicken settles a little bit, we'll have these done. Alright?
Like a meat party.
Yeah, it's a meat party. And one more flip for now. Alright, that's looking great.
Yep.
A lot of that darkness you see is actually barbecue sauce.
Yes.
Okay, let's close it up. Alright, let me show you the dipping sauce. This is a new sauce that I found in the store. And it's one where there's reduced sugar, which is good for these kind of sauces because they always put too much in. And this is a sweet chili sauce. And it's a brand new sample kind of thing where we can try it out and see if you like it or not. but by putting a little bit of the basari on, it gives it the ginger twist, and you'll see that that flavor comes through here. So it only takes a few minutes. Let's look. You can see the meat is like almost done where you could eat it, but we have it off to the side. In the meantime, we got the chicken on Rick's channel, and I think that's just about right to take off.
I think so too. It's going to rise in temperature when it sits on the platter.
So look for our links on each other's channels. You'll see some good recipes anyway, and you'll see this. All right, let's take a check on this. I believe time is about right. We're about ready to take the chicken off. I'm going to take these little meat skewers off. They look delicious. They did shrink a lot, I will say that.
Sure do smell good too.
Alright, we'll be back to get you. Let's just take a look because...
Take a taste out here and then
Okay.
we'll eat it with the chicken.
Yeah, we'll take it to our picnic spot. But right here, we're going to try some of this sauce. So, this is Blue Dragon is the brand name. And the sauce is a little bit fiery, but not too hot. I'm going to just put some dipping sauce on the tips.
Alright.
Then you can dip into if we want
I'll
more.
get a bite of it now.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
I'm sure you want to try it. We have more to cook too, so it smells like a steak from here. Just remember, it's hot.
Just remember, it's always time to eat. Oh, that's good.
Take one that looks like it's cooling off.
Take a little one.
Okay, that's a good idea. Ooh, it's...
Real hors d'oeuvre.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's a good steak. Oh boy, the flavor is good too.
It is a little spicy though, huh? It's good. It's really good.
Charcoal.
Well, I hope they start selling this in a big bottle. But it is the first time I saw it this week. I like it. You could take these to the picnic.
Oh, that's a good flavor. Yeah, let's get that chicken off and go inside.
Okay.
Check my channel. Watch that chicken be
Yeah,
cooked.
check his channel. It'll be in my description. And enjoy the recipes on this channel. Thanks for watching.